If your side entrance lock is not working, this is what you need to do. Well, this one is working out because I already fixed it. The problem here, if you already update and initialize and it's still not working, find the box that controls that lock. It's gonna be something like this, okay? It has to be on the same side of the light that you're trying to fix. Onity. You're gonna open it, and inside there's this board right here, the control board. You're gonna find a button that says clear, okay? It's this one right here. See, there's a reset button. You need to reset that one. Just hold that one for 20 seconds. And then, after you reset that button, just go and update the lock again, and everything is going to work again. Okay, so remember, it's going to be on the bottom. Sometimes it's white, it's like a round white push button, a small one, or sometimes, like in this case, it's black. But I have another box that is white. It's right here, this one right here, on top of the what this one looks like a I don't know what the hell is that, but this black button right here, let me see if you guys can see this one, round black button. It says clear, CLR. That one you need to push, and then go and update your lock, and it's gonna work again.